Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the average rate of change as an introductory section for the derivative or the differentiation. Now, to understand what is the word or what is behind the concept, the average rate of change, maybe you talk something we call it slope or the gradient in the British accent. Now, they both are the same. If you want to find out the average rate of change for any function, you have to say that it is delta y over delta x. And we talked before that when you say y, it is the same of f of x, okay? Now, when you say delta y over delta x, by saying that it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And as we said, y equals f of x. So it is f of x1, or f of x2, sorry, minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1, okay? Now, to understand the concept, let's read example number 1. Find the average rate of change of f of x equals x cubed minus 2x on the interval half to 3 over 2. So you have to say f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1, which means this is x1 and this is x2, okay? So it's f of, what is x2? It's 3 over 2. So f of 3 over 2 minus f of, what is x1? It's 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Now, to evaluate or to calculate f of 3 over 2 and f of 1 over 2, you have to use what? The calculator. By saying the calculator, I mean FX-CG50 calculator. Okay, guys? Now, let's do the substitution using the calculator, guys. Now, by saying the average rate of change, we are talking about evaluating the speed of change for the function itself on a specific time interval or on a specific interval of x, okay? So we're talking about the speed of the function or how much speed that the function is changing in it. There are a lot of functions that have a very high rate of change, which means like they are changing so fast, okay? So we're talking about the sharpness of the function and a lot of characteristics that we are not interested in it. Okay, now the thing that you are interested in is to evaluate the rate of change. Now, first of all, we have f of 3 over 2, so do plug in for 3 over 2 into this function. X cubed minus 2x. So I'm going to say x cubed, so I'm going to open bracket 3 over 2, close the bracket, then put cube. So it's x cube, 3 over 2 cube, okay? Now then, what do we have? Minus 2x. Now minus 2 times 3 over 2, then close the bracket and put equal. This is equals to 3 over 8, okay? Now, we need to put 3 over 8 minus f of 1 over 2. Now replace the 3 over 2 with what? With 1 over 2. That's it. Just do plug in again if you want. So it is 1 over 2 here. And it is 1 over 2 here. And this is equals to negative 7 over 8. So it's minus 7 over 8. That's divided by 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. We have the same denominator, so you're talking about 3 minus 1, that's 2, so it's 2 over 2, that means it's 1. Or simply, you can say, what is a 3 over 2? It's 1.5 minus half, that gives you 1, okay? Now, we have to do 3 over 8 minus 7 over 8, that gives you what? Plus, because minus with minus gives you plus. Now, what is a 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8? That gives you 3 plus 7, because we have the same denominator, so you can do the addition direct. 3 plus 7, that's 10, so the answer is 10 over 8. You can put it as a fraction, and if you want to convert it into a decimal, just put 3 over 8 on the calculator minus 7 over 8, and that's equals to 5 over 4, as it is 10 over 8 if you want to simplify it, divided by 2, that's 5, divided by 2, that's 4. Okay? Now if you want to see it in the decimal form, you can say as goes to D right there, and you're going to see it as 1.25. So it's also 1.25, right? 25. That's it.